Alright guys, hey, what's going on? Over here in beautiful city of Austin, Texas. Visiting one of the places I've been wanting to check out. I've been a big fanboy of Yeti products for about 8 years. So here we are at the flagship store, which is right here behind me. Stay tuned, be ready. We're gonna check this out. Can't wait to show you guys. Let's go. What is up guys, over here at the Yeti flagship store, just picking up a hat, gonna be checking out some duffel bags, gonna be checking out their waterproof backpack right now. So super excited, a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's go do some shopping, let's go check it out. So me and Charlotte, we're actually going to Terry Black's barbecue place right now. It's supposed to be really good. As you can see, Charlotte's having a good time because she loves walking in the heat and she's hungry. So look, Charlotte's having a great time. Look at that smile. So we're gonna be checking out Terry Black's right now. I can't wait to get us some barbecue and see what this is about. All right. So I'm over here at coming up to this creek here. We try to go to Hamilton Park Pools, and then we try to go over to this Whitewater Preserve, but everything's closed, I guess because of Corona. So found this little trail as we're going up to Whitewater Preserve, or I found this little bit of river right here. So I'm just gonna walk over here and check this out. We're gonna see if there's any fish over here too. It's definitely a nice. I left my hiking boots in the car. Oh, it looked like there was a snake that got ran over here too. Kind of sucks. So here it is, guys. I'll find out later what river this is, but here's a creek or the river right here. So again, I'll get more information on where this is at. But nice little view. And let's go on the other side over here. So just kind of gives you guys a look on what we're seeing right here. There it is. All right, we got to make our way back to the car. We got to hurry up. I got to be back at Benton by 6 o'clock, and I don't think we're going to make it. It's Lake Benton, and it's about an hour and 20-minute drive. So we're going to quickly rush up there right now. I'm going to probably just do a little jog right now. But again, we got to haul ass and we got to see a fireworks show. So can't wait to show you guys on that one. Let's go. So now we're heading over to Fort Hood. We're going to be seeing the fireworks show over at Fort Hood.
Sorry, Ed. Sorry. Okay, you know, I'm done. I'm done. I am done. Find somebody else.
Alrighty, so after that discussion, so sorry for that.
Oh, you got all that.
I sure did, yeah. So Now we're going to be going over to Fort Hood. I guess Angela and Rodolfo's got the fireworks show set up for us. I guess I got something over there going, so let's go check out the fireworks show. Hopefully this video is coming out better than what I projected to come out. So all in all, what a day, what a day. All right guys, let's go check out some fireworks. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so hey, we're gonna go check out the fireworks right now over here at Fort Hood. We're about ready here to pull up. We're getting here a little late, but it's not too crowded right now, so we're gonna check these out. And I believe it's gonna be a pretty awesome show. So we got it's about 9:15. They go off at 9:30 right now, so we're gonna find some parking right now, and then we're gonna get some fireworks going. All right, so stay tuned, be ready for the fireworks show. All right.
Beautiful, for heroes proved in liberating strife. Who more than self their country loved, and mercy more than life. Success be nobleness, and ever again divine. And you know, when I was in school, we used to sing something like this. Listen here. Oh, beautiful, far spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, our purple mountain majesties, over the fruited plain. But now wait a minute, I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know,